Ma'am, yung nangyari pong kahapon na pre-trial conference, parang ang nabanggit ni Congresswoman ko,
Tigil.
tunog lata daw eh. 'Di ba? Kayo po ba, paano nyo po i-describe yung nangyari kahapon?
Actually, responsive ang kaganapan kahapon sa purposes ng pre-trial conference, no? Ito kasing pre-trial conference na ito, ang objective nito is to be able to come up with a simple, expeditious, and fair trial for both parties, no? In other words, ito'y isang paghahanda. For example, yung ating first agenda is the propitiation of acts. We admit, yun na lang ang impeachment trial. Second, submission of list of witnesses because we do not want surprise witnesses. Also, yung dami ng witnesses, it helps the impeachment court determine ilan ang trial dates na kailangan ng prosecution, ilan ang trial dates na kailangan ng defense. Now, with respect to the submission of or the marking of exhibits, ito'y napaka time-consuming kung sa trial pa gagawin. So, what we did kahapon, nag-umpisa na ng pagmamarka, kunyari Exhibit A, ang first document, Exhibit B, yung second document. But the thing is, hindi po tayo natapos dahil talaga naman pong voluminous ang ating exhibits, most especially pagdating sa unexplained wealth at pagdating sa confidential fund, no? So, ang gagawin po natin ay babalik po tayo sa Monday doon sa impeachment court upang ipagpatuloy ang marking ng ating exhibits. And hopefully, pag natapos po ito, all issues, all matters are submitted. Now, we will just have to wait for the pre-trial order na maglalaman po ng lahat ng napagkasunduan during this pre-trial conference, no? At ito pong pre-trial order na ito po ang magsisilbing guide, blueprint, or napagkasunduan na dapat sundin during the trial proper. Bawal mag-deviate from the pre-trial order, no? At ang isang significant pa rin dito sa kaganapan ng PTC is on the side ay nabanggit ng impeachment court na July 6 mag-uumpisa ang impeachment trial.
Yeah, that's
So kaya naman nating tapusin yung marking of evidence on Monday, ma'am?
I think kakayanin naman kasi very efficient naman yung impeachment court. Minsan, dalawa yung nag-facilitate ng marking, no? Sabay, dalawang grounds. So, tingin ko kakayanin na matapos on Monday.